Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by turning on your laptop Wi-Fi adapter in the system settings or with a hardware switch. Open the network menu and select your router SSID from the list of available networks. Enter the network password and confirm authentication using WPA2 or WPA3 security. If connection fails, disable airplane mode and restart the adapter. By default, use DHCP and automatic IP assignment from the router. For a static IP, use 192, 168, 1, 50 with mask 255, 255, 255, 0 and gateway 192, 168. For the fastest stable connection, plug an Ethernet cable into the laptop port or adapter. Use a Cat5e or Cat6 cable for reliable 1 Gbps throughput over typical home distances. If your laptop lacks an RJ45 port, use a USB-C to Ethernet adapter or USB, a gigabit adapter. After plugging in, check the adapter link lights on both laptop and router. Open network adapter settings and ensure speed and duplex are set to 1.0 Gbps full duplex when supported. Disable conflicting Wi-Fi if you prefer wired reliability. If you cannot connect, restart both the router and the laptop and try again. Check that the network adapter is enabled and update drivers in Device Manager for Windows or system settings on other systems. Confirm the laptop obtains an IP address and that DHCP assigned a valid address not in the 169, 254, X range. Reset the router to factory settings only as a last resort and reconfigure SSID and password afterward. For security, enable WPA3 or WPA2 encryption, change the default router admin password.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.